After 3D print it will be looks like this. uh, you have to print both part like this. You don't have to separate into two part. After 3D print you have to uh, uh, break the internal supporting materials created in the hinge pivot point uh, to a stand of uh, hanging materials, to supporting hanging materials. uh, Now I am showing you how I separate the both item. Separate means you don't have to separate, you have to rotate the or turn the uh, pivot or hinge. I am showing how I turn free up the hinge. This is here is it is, yeah. You have to slowly turn it like this to break off internal supporting materials. Yeah, I think internal supporting materials uh, broke down. You can do this until the hinge freely move. Then you can use it as you want. So this way you can separate the both item, but not separate, free up the hinge to rotate it.